Hi everyone, it's Marina, the Beauty BFF. I'm going to review some of the e.l.f. products today. I have here with me the matte Putty Primer, which has gone pretty viral. It is a matte primer, and I did get the e.l.f. liquid eyeshadow, which this one here is the Flirty Birdie shade. With the other products that I have with the e.l.f. Brand is the Retro Paradise 18-piece eyeshadow palette here. It is a summer collection. It comes with 18 colors and they're super bright, and also there are some neutral tones and golden tones, and there are matte textures and also some shimmery colors, and also some satin finishes as well. And then the e.l.f. Retro Paradise Line and Shine Lip Kit. Okay, so let's go ahead and start with the matte Putty Primer. So I'm just going to grab a little bit here, just about this much, and use it on my skin. And with primers, I really like to press the product in, just because then that way it actually fills like all the pores and the fine lines. Now I'm going to swatch the eyeshadow for you. So this is the e.l.f. Retro Paradise 18-piece eyeshadow palette. So it has 18 colors here. And I'm going to go from the top row, and then to the middle, and then the bottom, okay? Okay, so this is the top row. There we go. So this is the second row of the e.l.f. Paradise palette. Now to the third row of the e.l.f. Retro Paradise palette. Okay, so I have swatched the e.l.f. eyeshadows for you. Now I'm going to move on to the e.l.f. Liquid Glitter Eyeshadow, and this is the Flirty Birdie shade. So it's this guy right here. It's like, you know, if you blend it in, you get a nice tone with that. So you can see it's super nice. It's got like a nice pink shade to it. So let's move on to the e.l.f. Retro Paradise Line and Shine Lip Kit. So it comes with 4 lip liners and a super glittery lip gloss. Okay, so let's go ahead and swatch those for you. I'm going to start with the first Nude 01 lip liner. So as you can see here, and these are like matte textures, okay? So this is the Nude 01 lip liner. So it is like a nude pink. And then the next color is Nude 02 lip liner, which is a nude beige. Okay. And next is the Nude 03 lip liner, which is a golden brown lip liner. So this is like a deeper tone. There we go. And the last color is called Vivid lip liner, which is a bold matte fuchsia, okay? So there we go. Got all the 4 different tones here. And then I'm going to swatch the lip gloss, which is called the Dream On Lip Gloss, in a moment. So it's like super glittery and shimmery. It's got some like pink like glitter to it, You can see it. Okay, so I'm going to use 3 different shades of this palette here, and maybe use one of the matte tones here, and then one of the shimmery tones and the glittery tones. So I'm going to start with, let's do the Bahamar. So this is more like a shimmery tone. So it does have a little bit of fallout when I use my eyeshadow brush here. So just watch for a little bit of fallout. And I'm going to just apply that on my lid, okay? Also, it's super bright. So it's a nice like green color here. And next I'm going to use a matte shade here, and I'm going to use Caliente, so it's a warmer orangey tone here, and I'm going to use that like to create kind of like a crease, okay? And I always love to use like warmer tones on like a crease area. A little bit on the outer corner here. It's a beautiful shade. It goes on really nicely. And you can really see the colors. And for my third color, I'm going to use one of the like glittery high metallic colors here. So I'm thinking I've already used the green and the orange. So let's go ahead and do a little bit of the soft pink here, Paraiso. And I'm gonna use my fingers, okay? Just because it's a metallic tone and it's going to go on a little bit nicer. And I'm going to apply that like right in the middle here. Oh, it's beautiful. So you can see here, it's got like a really nice metallic tone to it. And whenever you are using metallic shades, it's really nice to just use your fingers, just because it warms up the eyeshadow a little bit and it goes on really nicely on your skin, okay? I'm going to add a little bit of the Caliente tone under my eyes here. Okay, so it's got some nice color to it. And let's see here, I mean, the fallout on the eyeshadow is, you know, when I'm using the metallic shade, it has just a little bit of fallout, so it has a little bit of glitter on my face. So I'm going to finish it off with an eyeliner, okay, and some mascara. Okay, so I have my eyeshadow on, and I also have some eyeliner and mascara. And next I'm going to use the e.l.f. liquid glitter eyeshadow, and this is the Flirty Birdie tone. So I'm going to just add that on my lid. So I already have some eyeshadow on, but I'm going to add it right on top. Ooh, very pretty. And I'm going to use a small like flat brush, okay? So you can see, super like glittery. Let's do the other eye. Let's go ahead and do the lips. And I'm going to do, you know what, let's go all out. I'm going to use the matte pink here, okay? So I'm going to line my lips and fill it in, and then I'll use the lip gloss over it. Alright, so this is the fuchsia pink, and I'm going to put the gloss over it and see how that looks. And also, it doesn't feel so dry. Usually with matte lipsticks or, I mean, this isn't lip liner, it's, you know, actually not really dry, so it's really nice and it's super pigmented. And now to the lip gloss. It's got like a nice like lychee scent to it, which makes it very tropical. So you can see here, I have the lip gloss on top of the matte lip liner. I mean, closely I can see the glitter, but I feel like because it is a it has like pink glitter in there, it just looks more shiny on top of the pink lip liner. Okay, I'm sure that if you were maybe to wear the different like nude tones with the lip gloss, it probably would give you more of like a pop on the pink glitter. But this is what it looks like. The e.l.f. Retro Paradise collection was created by influencers, and I believe there are like 4 different influencers that help with creating the collection. So I mean, the colors are super fun. The eyeshadows do have a little bit of fallout, but you know, that's e.l.f. You're not spending too much money on you know, the eyeshadow palette. But there are so many different colors that you can play with like creating a natural look to a fun, funky, crazy look. With the lip liners, you have a few different options which you can wear it down to a natural look or more of a fun look like I have right now. You know, I definitely recommend it. The colors are super fun on my skin, and you can see here they really do stand out. So yeah, go for it. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope that you enjoyed this video, and make sure to like and subscribe to my channel.